to just give this a round neck for the purpose of this tutorial. So this is basically all for the front pattern. Is this easy? So now we're just going to cut along the lines. So guys, when you are cutting it out, you have to be very careful so that you don't go and mistakenly cut out the part of the pattern that you actually need. So guys, this is what it looks like after I was done with everything. This is the front, so now let's move over to the back. So for the back, I already drafted out the basic bodies. So the only thing I want to do here is on the chest line. I just marked out my bust measurements divided by 4, and I'm just joining the points to the straight line that we have here. Unlike when we're drafting the armhole for the back, that we actually had to get the midpoint, you don't really need that for the back armhole. So after that, I just added 2 inches to that point there as my stitching allowance. And on the waistline, I am marking my waist point here, and then I went ahead to add 1 inch extra for that intake, and then I added 2 inches as stitching allowance, and I'm just joining the points together. After this guys, the next thing we're going to do is to get our nipple to nipple measurements, and what you're going to do is add half inch to whatever half of your nipple to nipple measurement is. So for example, my nipple to nipple measurement is 7 inches, and half of that is 3.5. So 3.5 plus half is actually 4 inches. So I used 4 inches to mark my nipple to nipple measurement. After that, I just went up on the bust line by 1 inch, and as you can see, I'm just connecting the 3 dots together. So after doing this, the next thing I'm going to do is to just put that 1 inch dart intake that I did earlier. So I'm marking half inch on this side and half inch on this side as well. And then I'm going to connect my point to this midpoint here using my ruler. This is basically all for this back pattern, but since we already measured out the neck for the front pattern, so let's just do the same thing at the back. So from the line I had, I just went in by 3 inches and came out by 1.5 inch. So this is just a pattern for a dress that if you want it to be high neck. So this is what it looks like, and right here, you know, this is my zipper allowance. So on this point here, which is the end of the waistline, I should have said this earlier, I went out by 1/2 inch just to reduce that bulginess that you normally have at the back of your zipper when you fix it. So I remove half an inch, and I'm just going to connect it to the other line in a curve like this. So that is going to go out, and basically I'm just going to cut along the lines now. So guys, this is what the back pattern looks like, and that's basically all for this video. So this is the front pattern, and here is the back. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you try making a dress with this tutorial, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.